Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that your life savings had vanished overnight. Sounds impossible, right? That's exactly what happened to millions of Americans. In 1929, people believed the stock market could only go up. Teachers, factory workers, and even barbers were borrowing money to buy stocks. Everyone thought they had found an easy path to wealth. Then came one terrifying week. Panic spread across Wall Street. Investors rushed to sell. Prices collapsed. Fortunes disappeared in hours. Banks failed. Businesses shut down. Families lost homes, jobs, and savings. What started as a market crash quickly turned into the Great Depression, the worst economic disaster in American history. Many people who thought they were rich discovered a painful truth. Wealth built on hype can disappear, but wealth built on patience can survive almost anything. The biggest lesson from 1929: never invest because everyone else is doing it. History proves that when greed takes over, reality eventually wins. Follow for more powerful money lessons from history that can make you smarter and wealthier today.